Testing 1 2. 1 2 testing. I had to throw my first cup of coffee in this sink, and we had to start all over again. Good morning, folks. Good afternoon. Good evening, wherever you are. We have a lot to talk about. For a long time, we've been making announcements that we have announcements coming in the future. Today is the day where at least one of those announcements is going to be officially released. And it's not one any of you know about, not one any of you are expecting, but it's a big one. Welcome back. We're trickling in. Apologies. Hopefully, I'm showing an excellent connection. Haven't done my test check yet. We got a lot going on. I've been flooded, busy as hell every day. All good. It's all good. I'm gifting an offshore account. Close. You're close. It's part of it. But that's not the head honcho. We'll take a look at some price action first. Let me get some coffee in my system. We got a new exclusive, never before heard or seen banger from Crown Chakra. I can't wait to play it for you guys. Probably gonna play it next. Petey the pencil neck turkey fish is in blockchain singularity transition. They're looking great. We got our boy Mike, Platinum Mike Perry, fighting in 2 days or 3 days on the 20th. Fighting for our country. We've finally seen a little bit of price action, a couple $300 movements. I'm getting an excellent connection. Let's first off, I need to do this damn sound check. I could be talking to myself for all I know right now. Wouldn't be the first time. All right, check 1 2. Listen, it's hump day. It's Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. Middle of the week coming soon. Peter Pencil Neck Turkey Fish. Don't have a hard date. Should be, hopefully. I don't know. You know the usual answer. A couple weeks. And I want to spread them around. We're going to be coinciding. I kind of want them to coincide with something that we're doing. Ooh, I want to let you guys know what the big announcement is right now, but we're going to hold off a little bit. Let's take a look at the charts. Actually, you know what? We're going to do this first, folks. Starting off, Crown Chakra exclusive bull trappery.
Told y'all looks can be deceiving.
Even if it's in the green, it could be a bull trap. Looked at market Cipher just to see where the money at. Green dot on the 30-minute just to be exact. Phone on do not disturb, making sure it don't distract. I'm a firm believer in Bitcoin to 100 racks. If you doubting that it's going, then faith is what you lack. Green candles going up, looking like it's finna crack. Eating gourmet meals, but I still love my snacks. Consolidation, man, patiently waiting for a signal, hoping that Bitcoin shoot off like a missile. Chewing silly siping, man, while I'm gripping quartz crystal. Yeah, the SEC fickle, but I still got faith in Ripple. Stop crying, keep trying, cause you running out of tissue. If the whip still crank, then the starter ain't the issue. If you try hard enough, then ain't no fucking with you. All them hours you put in, now the money flowing to you. It's already yours, you was destined to be great. Cause your heart full of love, you don't entertain the hate. Come a good to you, cause you make sure your people straight. Money coming full circle, pockets looking overweight. I know you resonate, you don't hesitate to get the guap. Yeah, I still ride Chevy and these blades still char. Amazon make me lazy, but I still go out and shop. If I didn't have no shoes, man, I still wouldn't fuck with Crocs. Even if it's in the green, it could be a bull trap. Even if it's in the green, it could be a bull trap. Shout out Crypto Face, man, got the market on lock. Having billion-dollar dreams with a boat back to a dock. Not a boat, but a yacht on the ocean with a flock of bad beezies. Take it easy, all reaching for my crotch. Every chick I ever hit, man, they always top notch. Even though I'm underground, man, I'm still gon' pop. Yeah, I'm still gon' blow like a whole pound of pot. Cause I'm always being myself, never something that I'm not. And the haters, man, they hot. Tell me why they act like that. If they knew better, they probably would do better, that's a fact. Come and join the winner circle. Crypto Face, flopping groper, Crown Chakra, Lower Cyborg, and a whole lot of supporters. It's a new world order. We was born for this shit. Get back up on our feet every time we take a hit. Never quit, never stop. Headed straight to the top. Had to change a heart, so I had to make a coin swap. Coin swap, coin swap. Even if it's in the green, it could be a bull trap, bull trap, bull trap, bull trap. Looked at market Cipher just to see where the money at, money at, money at. Green, 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 green dot on the 30-minute just to be exact, be exact, be exact. Phone on do not disturb, making sure it don't distract, don't distract, don't distract, don't distract. Bull trap, bull trap, bull trap, bull trap, bull trap.
Yeah. Dang. Anyways, I hope I didn't have that too loud where it was messing with some of the quality, but that shit sounds crispy clean over here, folks. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. We're just here to have a good time. Flopping and groping. I am not in a position right now that way. I just use that phone. So you think I'm in a $6 million position on this shit right now? Give me a break.
Even if it's in the green, it could be a bull trap. Look at market Cipher just to see
Super clean, man. Super clean, man. We'll make sure it's on iTunes and whatever. I don't think it's actually officially released yet. But anyways, hope everyone's having a good day. Jolly good day. I forgot everything we were supposed to talk about and announce today. But just kidding. Anyways, more of the same. There ain't really nothing new on the price action. Let's take a look, see here. Super gapped RSIs. Looks weaker than it even did back here. It looks similar to here. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised this shit came back down. Also wouldn't be surprised if it came up a little bit more and then got cracked back down. As far as the big announcement, today's big announcement, I'm switching exchanges. Your boy's gonna be on a new exchange, trading on a new exchange, and we got some was able to go to bet pretty good. I'll actually be making less money. So that ain't got nothing to do with it. I am getting paid less than I was with Bybit and PHEMEX. But I think the positives for everyone, well, it's not I think they do, outweigh. Everyone's going to be paying a lot less on fees. I was able to negotiate my commissions on fees. And let me make sure I even have this shit. Fuck. Hold on here, folks. Hold on here. Hang on here. I gotta blacken the screen here. Hold on here, folks. Hold on. Getting a little ahead of myself here, folks. Getting ahead of myself. The screen is black. I just need you to bear with me. Bear with me. The screen is black. And it will be back here soon. All right, had to update the description. It is BitGet. I'm gonna do a video. I was supposed to be doing it right now, but I wanted to stream because we just was feeling it. I was feeling it with the price action, with the bed, bat, shitter beyond. Not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed. Now, your boy, last time we caught bed, bath, shitter beyond was before it was an official meme stock at 27.11.17 or 27.11.24. Unfortunately, at least on my exchange right now, I am not able to borrow any shares to sell short, and I would be pretty shocked if this thing really actually ended up going higher. I mean, if it does, could be wrong. I don't do the whole meme stock thing. We called out Bed Bath Shitter Beyond before meme stock. Just shows how your boy knows how to pick them. I know how to manipulate. I'm a manipulator. Done it with Bitcoin. We've manipulated the price of Bitcoin 13%, and then another 7% 2 hours after that, just to make sure it was actually us. Numerous times. We're the real deal here. So I'm a little heartbroken. I'm actually a little heartbroken that it's officially a meme stock now, and these nerds on Reddit or whatever are taking advantage of something that we found first. We were first. We were first. So let me just spit out the facts with the BitGet thing first. I got to do the video today. I'm going to do the video for the reasons, and the video of setting up and just making sure you're there's a couple things that are different every time you change an exchange. I want to make sure anyone that also tries it out or moves doesn't make any mistakes, and you know, they're able to trade comfortably right off the bat. First things first, we're gonna be doing a 30 grand crypto face community only tournament. And it ain't gonna be like a 2-month long or a month long thing. You know, it's the max I would want the tournament to be is like 2 weeks. Might even just do it 10 days. And yeah. I think we're gonna have 2 brackets of winners, the top 3. One will be percentage P&L. The other one will be raw P&L dollars wise. Like the 2 first place guys will get 10 grand, and then like 5 or whatever. Well, yeah, 10 grand to the 2 first prizes, 4 or 5 grand to the second, 1,000 and some Petey the Pencil Neck NFTs. I want steak knives. I might want to send someone some steak knives. And so everything's gonna be kind of lining up here. The main thing is, again, I am not getting paid more at first. And now listen, I have spoken with someone from pretty much the top 50 derivative exchanges out there. They hit me up every single day. And at first, I pretty much blew them off, just like I did everybody else. Long story short, though, they're doing a lot of things very swell. And the major points, probably the most major point, which is the market makers. I know the market makers. I think I know 99.9999% sure I know not all of them, but the important market makers that are that are working with them, and that's huge. They're guys that I know that when it's time to chop the wood again, like the old days, for the $5, $10, $20 million, we shouldn't have any problems. Hopefully, haven't had any problems so far. But everyone's getting 15% off for their lifetime that signs up under me, off their fees. And I really don't even want to, I almost didn't even want to do it. It's coming out of my pocket. But, yeah, 15% off. It's the same, everyone pays the same fees, has the same fee structure. But if you sign up under my ass, you get 15% off for life and shit and whatever. We're going to go over everything. That's just the announcement. I want to give you the preview. We'll go over all that shit later in another video. Anyways, that's the end of the stream. That's all I had to say. This weekend, our man Mike Perry, can't wait for it. It should be in the description. It should be like, it's like Big Get Crypto Face something. I'll post it. And I'm pretty sure, since I'm breaking the ice as far as the 15% thing, I'm sure, you know, I'm not the only big rig in town. I might be the and so I'm sure if there's another YouTuber that you like and he switches over and he gets the same, he's probably gonna get the same 15%. But I'm kicking the door down. And I wanted to open up with a bang. I want to put money in the pockets of my people that deserve it. Now, these tournaments, I've done like 2 or 3 myself with different exchanges, and every time it's at the shittiest price action time of the year. So our tournament is going to be in the shittiest price action time of the year, most likely, which is like a week from now. It's going to be the same shit that we're seeing now. But we're going to do it. The liquidity is excellent. The market makers is what counts. Now, as far as the amount of people, so if you look on, there's a difference between the market makers and like tracking how much is actually traded because of the amount of people on there. I guess what I'm trying to say is I know the capacity that they have. And that's what's important. Ugh. There's not as many people on there probably as Bybit or anything yet. But they got the money and they got the makers where it counts. And so when the time comes, when there is that many people, they'll be able to handle it. I know they'll be able to handle a fish like me. What was I gonna do? I was gonna just do something. And you know, nothing, I certainly want to say, and I'll cover it, nothing bad about PHEMEX. You know, it was, they, you know, did what we needed, and you know, I didn't have any problems with them. So, you know, everyone's cool in my book. Everyone's cool in my book. You know, I tell you what, man, these Chinese in Singapore, Chinese exchanges have honestly been the safest place to store my, yeah, I don't have to worry about getting hacked with my crypto over there. I tell you what. Take my data. You know, I'd rather the Chinese have my data than my own damn country. When I was in China, I got treated pretty well. They treated me pretty damn well in China. And they already knew what I ate. The times of day I was on the shitter. My toilet would warm up at 3:56 a.m. and 7:25 p.m. Right on time. They have ninjas for service at restaurants and airplanes. You look one way, you look back, and all your food and shit's there. I would drop my napkin, look the other way, and look back, and there's a brand new one folded in a little unicorn on my lap. Well, you know why? Because other YouTubers, and you know, listen, I'm just gonna say, call it like it is. I'm not calling anyone out, you know, in particular. I mean, there's a difference between the guys that are out there, like, you know, trading, and like doing that, and then guys that kind of just like permabull, whatever the fuck. And, you know, listen, people try to scramble to go somewhere first because it's not like saturated, which I understand. not everyone really, not a lot of people don't really make that much, or they're trying to figure out, like, you know, they have like the following and whatnot, and they aren't really like monetizing it or whatever. And you know, that trade commission money is the real deal, man. That shit is the. But I you know, I got money. And so if I'm gonna go somewhere, it's not try to be first. It's really is it safer? And there has to be the benefits have to be there. And it took a while. I really don't care if I'm the last one into bid. I really don't care. Yeah, I don't care. I'd rather be the last one. The pawns go first. You ever play chess? Do you send the king in first, or do you send the pawns? Anyways, that's that. And so I will be doing cause some of the stuff is different. I'm gonna be doing just a basic first time on BitGet, and you want to enter some different kind of trades, how you get your money to on the exchange and get it to where you want. Because to believe it or not, that shit is hard to figure out on all these exchanges most of the time. It was pretty easy on BitGet, but man, and they only get more complicated. The more shit coins and products that these exchanges offer, I always try to stress them to keep it damn simple. The Eastern mind is different than the Western mind. I'm not saying anyone's better or worse. I'm saying that Eastern psychology of customer experience and marketing shit is different than the Western. And both together, if you can conjoin the two, it makes a beautiful northern southern hemisphere that we can all get along on. But my ass flies out there to make sure everything's fucking real, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so more on that later. But I did want to let you guys know that those videos are coming. I'm not going to answer the question. If you ask me why I go with BitGet, brother, you just missed the I've just been talking about for the past 20 fucking minutes. Anyways. More on that later. But we're live, and so I just want to let you guys know what's one of the things going on. Oh, would you look at that? Looks like we're bouncing right off a little Spidey line here. What do you know? What do you know? Looking at the Bitcoin price action, honestly, is boring as hell. There's really nothing to see there. What I really want to look at is what I really would like to happen is this price to stay in the mid high 20s on Bed Bath and Shitter Beyond, so I can borrow some shares to sell them. And I'm keeping checking here. This stupid meme shit. This pisses me off. We were here first. And these nerds on Reddit come in and they ruin one of my favorite secret shitcoin of the standard market. And now we gotta wait in line like the rest of them. Let's see if I can borrow some now. Hopefully there's a few more suckers that, okay, let's see here. You're still we're unable to borrow the share at the time. Yeah. Probably not going to be able to get on this one. Probably not going to be able to get on this one. That's all right. Yeah, I can stare at as much as I want to on Bitcoin, but yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. There's really, I can't just lie. You know, I tell you, go to the on-chain analytic people if you're looking for perma bull news. Go to the on-chain analytica. And just because I'm not talking doesn't mean I'm muted, but I appreciate you checking up on me. We got the countdown for Mike Perry, the main event, rocking Market Cipher, the Market Cipher family. We've been blessed to have him as a terrific partner, sponsor for his last 2 fights. The man shouts us out all the time on social media. If you don't follow Mike Perry already, Platinum Mike Perry on Twitter or Instagram, he's a little more active, got pictures and stuff. He does Twitter too. But our boy's always rocking Market Cipher merch, Market Cipher shit. That's right, Tom, you were with us. That's right. That's right. Tom at Mike Perry too. Also, you know, we got to find the clip of one of his best friends, if not his best friend, Alex, who we also sponsor in his fight last week or 2 weeks ago. Man, it was insane. It was insane. Let me see if I can find it. Please, I hope someone uploaded. Oh, I don't. Man. Darn it. Man, I've never seen he got rocked in the beginning a good few times, and I've never seen a man come back from hits like that. And the look in his eyes was just crazy. Anyways, yeah, whatever. Anyways, what's going on in the normal markets here? What's going on with gold? Is that still taking his shit too? Oil. What's going on with oil? I've been enjoying the time off. Woo! Oil under $90. Gotta lay. That's an ugly ass pattern. I'm telling you. Seen this shit 100 times in Bitcoin. What about Monero? Monero. Yeah, we got Yoel Romero's next fight too. Shit, that's coming up too. Let me hang on here. Let's see. That's on the 23rd. We got Yoel Romero on the 23rd of September, which is next month. So a month away. Yoel, I'm telling you, when we say bangers only, we mean bangers only. Who you want me to kill, boy? Who you want me to kill, boy? So we just got him for a fight. Anyways, yeah. What else is there? Wow, time's going by kind of slow. That's good. I got some shit I got to do today too. Today is a day where we got a couple phone calls, a couple meetings lined up. It's been like that every day. Oh, wait. Darn. Anyways, we kind of blew through the climax. How's everybody doing? Yeah, natural gas. Is natural gas probably still going up? There, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Ugh. Anyways, I'm actually gonna get to work. I don't know. We were feeling it, wanted to live stream, and you know, we live streamed, fixed the internet issue. My internet's been bothering me for like, it's been slow like this for the past like half a day, so I'm glad we fixed that. And I gotta get to work, so I'll see you guys later. And again, the countdown, the fight is in 3 days, exactly 72 hours from now. So shit, they're halfway across the world, so this fight's gonna be on early in the day. It's the main event, so it's probably gonna be like 3 hours, 2 hours after now in 3 days. So mark it on your calendar, set your alarm an hour after now in 72 hours. 74 hours. 74 hours from now, we're going to be here. And maybe we'll have to do a watch party. We didn't do a watch party last time. We did the first time. But that shit was fun. So, all right, fellas. See you later.